I don't know what you call these people, but they want to see what you living like this weekend.
Okay. All right. So, little tour of our hotel. Where we got these French devils in here.
You gonna turn the light on?
All right, y'all. This is how you turn the bathroom light on. And then look, these the mirror lights. Okay. Y'all wanna relax? You wanna relax? You dim it down and turn them all on. Okay. So we got the bath. We had just had house clean up in here, so it's clean. We got the shower. We got the shower. They last night they had everything rolled out. This towel looked like a little roll, but they have it rolled out for you. So got a mirror in here. Little thing to wash your hair. We got shampoo gel.
The shower gel.
Shower gel, and then we got the soap. That soap ain't about shit, but the shower gel.
We ain't buy no new soap.
Oh, that's
what we forgot.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some soap. And we got a throne room. Emergency call. I don't know if we're gonna talk on the phone in the bathroom, house phone. So I think that's for housekeeping and emergency calls on. All right. So they come with, and they gave us a new one. They just kept our old one right here.
Yep.
All right. So this come with Q-tips and like alcohol pad and fingernails. Then they come with a toothbrush and a big toothbrush and a little what's name. We bought this, so. Then you got your lotion and come with a big thing of lotion. I don't know if you could take it home though.
They probably gonna charge us and take that in that shower gel. That's why I said here's a setup.
All right.
Another vanity kit.
I don't know what this is, but yeah. Then you got your bathtub right here. Yeah. Y'all see? I don't want to work for you, look. Okay. I think I'd be hitting it 2 at a time because this was last night the TV wouldn't work. All right, one time.
Gotta be patient.
Oh, man.
There you go. You gotta be patient.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, this bitch. Oh, I gotta come here tonight. Let me see.
Got you some fruit, drink, some ice cream.
And they got cable in here. So you got cable in here too, so you can watch cable. Like they got movie nights, but all the movies $20 a piece.
What?
Yeah, all the new movies ain't that.
Oh wow.
So we got the TV. Yeah.
What's up,
Look, we playing through the speaker up there.
This one I'm saying most focus on because
She gonna cut the cabbage. I did cook the rice too, so. But these are my yeah, all right. She had them big.
Oh man, that hurt getting up out that tub.
Nah, man, that lady got my body feeling crazy.
Babe, did you show them the throne room? Oh, you did. Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah, they got a little scale on here if you want to check your weight too.
How much you weigh?
I ain't even want to see. I see them. Oh.
Oh my goodness, you weigh that much?
No, that's small. That's small. All right. All right, we coming in here. Yeah. All right, yeah. So we got little clothes in here. We got our little clothes and we ain't bring shit. So y'all, we really like bought a couple outfits. Still gotta go buy some more. Had to buy boxes and stuff. Then, yeah, what the fuck? This is a shoe shine?
I guess shoe shining is important here.
What the leather do?
I don't know, maybe
Umbrella in there.
make your shoes look new, maybe.
Yeah, umbrella. You got the little safe down here. Let's slip some money in it. Oh, no, you ain't money now. All right. Then you got your little coffee maker. I don't know how to do it. Oh, you push the cup in there. But I don't think they gave us no coffees. Let's see. Hold on. You got your wine bar up here. You got your
But is
whiskey.
that liquor everybody like right now?
Man, I don't know what this. Oh, that's called
Isn't that Casamigos or something?
No, they ain't no
Oh.
goddamn Casamigos.
I don't drink, I'm
You got,
sorry.
Tito's, all this. You got Tito's, Grey Goose. I don't know how to say the
The
name.
Macallan?
You got whiskey, but called.
Cause I see this when I'm on Instagram. The Instagram girls,
This.
they be drinking this.
Yeah,
Oh, it's a tequila. I don't know what it is.
I know the name, but I just can't think. All right. We bought us ass hell in this bitch too. That one, I know the name of the shit. This shit $250. All right.
$250?
Yeah, for that.
Oh wow.
All right. You got your snacks. You got to pay for this stuff, man. It's right here. It's expensive. $5 all the way to $10. I want to know what the chocolate bar. I know this ain't $10. This time thing I see the chocolate bar. The beef jerky is the highest thing. $12.
This
this bar right here.
Oh, that looks delicious.
$10. No, it say chocolate bar balls. These
Oh, those. Are they milk chocolate? Dark chocolate. I don't like dark chocolate.
caramel. $10. Shit, the gummy bears $10 too. Yeah.
They got cute packaging.
Got your bottled waters. This company in tonight. So all this free.
Even the teas and stuff?
Huh?
Even like the coffee creamers, this free too?
Yeah, this free.
Oh, wow.
Even this, because this go to the thing.
Okay.
You gotta pay for this. Then you gotta come right here. Got some more wine in here.
Wait, is this a cold bar? Oh, it's a refrigerator.
Yeah, it's a refrigerator.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You gotta pay for this stuff too.
What kind of is this? Nicholas, I don't know how to say that. Some rose
Yeah.
wine. How much that
We
costs?
ain't French.
I don't know. I think it might be that. I don't know. Nicholas. I don't know.
It's champagne. I don't see it, man. Then we got your little extra drawers. I think this got a little iron.
Ironing board.
Iron board, yeah. That's our stuff. Little pants. So we got little drawers. Ain't nothing enough. Our 2 pair of little shoes. We have some more shoes. Then over here we got our workstation. Workstation, this phone charger. So you gotta have extra batteries and stuff. A little Apple. Then you got your outside view. The couch too. And they got a TV in here.
I don't know. I don't see no TV. Maybe you just gotta look at traffic.
Okay. All right, then you got your whole king size bed. It's bit comfortable too. You got your king size bed. And then, all right. Damn, I thought it. All right, so it don't work. So this is what we do.
This is his favorite part.
All right. So we said we ain't got no TV. Have the TV right here. Have the TV. Have the remote control. Oh, it's already on. I like this.
We're gonna have to build one of those in our house.
You gonna be able to be. All right, so there your TV. Then you come over here too. Got double size TV. Turn this on.
Oh, so you can watch 2 different things at one time?
Yeah. I
Wow.
don't know if I got the right remote, but yeah, there you go.
Oh, wow.
So, watch 2 different things. Yeah. So that's still on Netflix.
Whoa.
Okay. All right. So all right, I'm finna show y'all this picture right here. I need your phone.
This is my favorite part. The electronics.
Okay. Right here you gotta hold this down. Hold that down till it start blinking. Go on Bluetooth. This the Bluetooth, I guess. I think it is. If it say connect, it's the Bluetooth. All right, so that's the Bluetooth. And then right here, all right, we're gonna go on YouTube. But she playing Plies, so we're gonna listen to Plies right now. So we can see what the feature do, like, all right. So now, they got the speakers up here. They pretty loud. All right, so at night, hold on. So at night, I'm just playing a little sound or something. So
Yeah, because you don't need no copyright claim.
What is called? So at night you want to feel romance. So when you want some romance and stuff like that, you just play something like this, and.
If I could fuck him every day, I really fucking would. That dick so fucking good. Yeah, that dick so fucking good. That dick so
So you hit your hands in there. The tablet. Control the room, and then if it was nighttime, I just hit romance on here, dim all the lights. I'll show y'all later. And then what I'm gonna do, y'all look around.
My pussy tight.
All right, I'm finna close. They ain't fucking with me.
They say you pressed the button too many times this morning, Wood. You got it.
All right. I think I be hitting it too many times still.
Yeah, you gotta be patient.
All right, I'm finna hit it right here.
Oh, you can do it from there too?
Yeah. I'm finna see if it work right here. All right. So y'all see the shit. I'm gonna close this. I don't need that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and close this. I don't know why the tablet ain't working, but still shut it right here. It's on both sides of here too. You got one right here.
Oh, you can do it from there too?
Yeah,
I didn't know that. Wow.
So what that is,
The curtains. Yeah, the curtains this time. Drapes.
Okay. Can y'all see? Y'all, this room is tight. I like it. I ain't seen nothing like that. We don't get a expensive room. And this room cheaper than the rooms we've been in before. Paid a lot of money, and this tight.
How you feel about the hotel overall?
Oh, the hotel is good. They make you feel poor. This bitch right here.
They make you feel poor. They make me feel important.
They make you feel poor, boy.
Seeing everybody with them Bugattis and Lamborghinis and Rolls Royces. Are you gonna take us to the Bentley dealership and Rolls Royce dealership, Wood?
Let's go in there and shop around.
All right. You got anything you want to say before we go?
No. Oh yeah, y'all even must know. Let me open this lines back up. Open the shutters back up. Open the shutters, get us some light. And look, it come with free bedroom slides too. Two came with a mat next to your bed. They come in the plastic already. I think she got some in here.
They right here on this side of the bed.
All right.
I had warm.
Oh, you warm?
Mm-hmm.
Come with house shoes too. Yeah, I like this.
And the robes as well.
Yeah, we can't take the robes home.
Yeah, we could take those.
Well,
You could take a robe home. It's just probably gonna cost you about $300.
I'll pay about $250. But y'all, yeah, this the tour of the room. I hope y'all like the video. Shit, we will start traveling a little piece too, so we're gonna give y'all more room tours. I'm gonna start doing different content now too, so
I'm happy to hear that.
yeah.
I'm proud of you.
I hope y'all enjoyed the room and my tour. You know what I'm saying? But thanks for watching. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below, like what y'all think about the room, whatever. I don't know. But thanks for watching. Bye.